good. That's good. I'd like to welcome you to an amazing day, an amazing event. We call this Visionary Boot Camp, and what we're here to do today is provide dreamers, visionaries, go-getters, entrepreneurs, everyday people with tools and resources to perpetuate you into your destiny, to move you into your destiny, to move you into the place where you want to be. And so I brought today several phenomenal speakers who I all admire, and I would like for each and every one of you to have an open heart, open up your mind, open up your spirit to what's getting ready to be presented to you, because there's some compelling stories that will empower you to move forward into the life of your dreams. And I say it like this, that the life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. And you will hear me say that a lot today. You're going to hear me say that a lot throughout your time with me, because I don't think this is going to be the last time that we interact. So I'll say it again, that the life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. Sometimes, like you were saying, the journey, people get lost in the journey because sometimes it can get a little rough, a little bumpy. But those are times where you gotta rely on your personal internal fortitude to keep pushing forward. Why do I have this vision? Why do I see myself doing these things? If your why is big enough, then how becomes irrelevant. You have to keep moving forward without allowing yourself to be or succumb to the camaraderie that you gain. See, this is one reason why I have a love-hate relationship with football. The beautiful parts about football was the camaraderie. Sometimes we didn't like each other and we get a chance to take it out on each other. But at the end of the day, we found a way to always come back and, that's my teammate, and if he needs something, I got him. And vice versa, if I need something, I know he got me. And that's one thing that sports has always taught me, is that you have to be able to trust that somebody can have your back. You got to be able to trust that somebody can show up for you if you need them. And I called my friend, my brother, about a week and a half ago, and told him I needed him to help me with this event. Now, he lives in Chicago, and he made sure that he was here to be able to present just some dynamite information, because I called him and said, I need your help. And that's how we've always been with each other. He called me and said, I need your help. I'm gonna do what I can to make it happen, and vice versa. And that's another point that it goes back to what you said about support. You gotta have a support team in place to help you realize the life of your dreams. And remember I said it before, the life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. Let me say it again, the life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. I'm gonna repeat it. I'm gonna do it. The life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. But the life of your dreams becomes impossible if you don't have anybody to help you get there. Your day. And this won't be the last time. I'm sure that it's just like taking a shower. You take a shower every day because you need more and more. You're gonna do more and more, so you're gonna need to keep yourself clean, keep yourself covered. We're gonna do more and more events like this because we're gonna need, as we're progressing forward, we need to be around like-minded people. We need to be around people who can encourage you and inspire you to go outside of your comfort zone. Because inside your comfort zone, there's not gonna be much growth. It's outside. Once you get outside the comfort zone, when you're making real progress, when you're making things happen for other people. Just like, the squirrel sowing nuts into the ground, that some of them may eat, and some of them may become something that its offspring will be able to eat. This is one of the things I want to leave you with. I talk about this a lot. It sounds like a broken record when I say it. I know my wife gets tired of hearing me say it sometimes. But it's that the life of your dreams is wonderful and you deserve it. That is my tagline. That is also my mantra. That's my motto. I live by that. And the times when I've struggled in life is because I didn't live up to that mantra. I didn't allow my dreams to be so wonderful because I didn't sometimes feel like I deserved it. And I'm telling you, by any means necessary, stay focused on what it is you believe. Stay focused on what you feel like you deserve. And now, I'm gonna let you go. But before I let you go, I want to say this. I want to thank somebody who's really near and dear to my heart. They have labored tirelessly to make sure a lot of things run smoothly. And I'll say this: when you have people in your life and you don't allow them to be who they are, you're not properly utilizing the gift that God has given you. And I want to thank openly, publicly, my wife, Cassandra, back on me. She made sure that we had a lot of things that we needed today. And had I consulted with her earlier, who by nature she's a event planner.
Did you get that on camera, Q?
My wife is a phenomenal event planner, and I did not
utilize your people.
Exactly. Yeah. It's one of the P's right there. And but in understanding that, I just want to also say there are a lot of things that we do in this lifetime, and God sends us people that we need. And I need my wife, and I'm thankful that she was here today to help us have a wonderful event.
Yes.
And with that stated, again, I want you to leave here empowered, leave here inspired, and understand this. I want to say it again. The life of your dreams is wonderful, and you deserve it. And on that note,
Myles Miller Motivation. Go get it.